Looking for quick and healthy breakfast ideas? Starting your day with a nutritious meal is crucial in maintaining a balanced lifestyle. It fuels your body and mind, setting the tone for the rest of your day. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple, quick, and healthy breakfast ideas that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. They're not just tasty, but full of essential nutrients too. Stay tuned to discover these quick, easy-to-follow breakfast recipes that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. First up is the avocado toast with egg. This crowd pleaser is not only delicious but also packs a nutritional punch. You'll need a slice of whole grain bread, a ripe avocado, a couple of eggs, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Begin by toasting your bread to a golden brown. While it's crisping up, take your ripe avocado and gently mash it until it reaches a creamy consistency. Once your toast is ready, spread the mashed avocado generously over the surface, creating a lush green base. Now for the piece de resistance, the egg. Cook it to your preference, be it sunny side up, poached, or scrambled. Lay it gently atop the avocado spread and finish off with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. What makes this breakfast so special? Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, while eggs supply a good dose of protein. Voila! There you have your avocado toast with egg. A perfect blend of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber to kickstart your day. Next we have the berry and yogurt smoothie. This delightful mix brings together the sweet and tangy flavors of frozen berries, the smooth and creamy texture of Greek yogurt, a touch of honey for that added sweetness, and a splash of milk to bring it all together. The preparation is as simple as it gets. Toss your frozen berries, Greek yogurt, honey, and milk into a blender and blend until it's smooth and creamy. This is a breakfast that can be whipped up in less than 5 minutes, perfect for those busy mornings. And let's not forget about the health benefits. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, while Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics. Together, they create a nutrient-dense smoothie that's not just delicious but also incredibly good for you. And there you have it, a berry and yogurt smoothie, a refreshing and nutrient-packed breakfast option. Moving on to our third recipe, peanut butter banana oatmeal. This delightful dish is packed with nutritious ingredients, including oats, milk, a ripe banana, creamy peanut butter, and a pinch of salt. Let's dive in. First, cook the oats as per the instructions on the packet. Oats are a great source of fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied until lunchtime. As the oats simmer, pour in the milk of your choice, which adds a lovely creaminess to the oatmeal. Next, slice up a ripe banana. Bananas are rich in potassium and give a natural sweetness to the oatmeal. Lastly, stir in a generous spoonful of peanut butter. Not only does peanut butter provide a protein punch, but it also gives our oatmeal a nutty, indulgent flavor. And there you have it, simple, nutritious, and downright delicious. There you go, peanut butter banana oatmeal, a hearty and wholesome breakfast to fuel your day. And those were 3 quick, easy, and healthy breakfast recipes. We kicked off with the creamy avocado toast, topped with a perfectly cooked egg. Next, we blended a delightful berry and yogurt smoothie. And finally, we prepared a heartwarming bowl of peanut butter banana oatmeal. Remember, a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for the day, fueling your body and mind. Don't hesitate to try these recipes, or even create your own versions. So give these recipes a try and start your day on a healthy note. Until next time, keep eating well and living healthy.